Okay, yeah, hello, hi. Let's see. So in this video, we will see like how to configure a DHCP on the Barracuda. So this is our Barracuda firewall. The management IP address is 200.200, which is connected to our Windows server, and Ethernet 2 it is connected to our ISP. As I told you in the last video, what we're gonna do on the Ethernet one, we will create Ethernet one as a DHCP. Okay, let's go. This is our virtual server. I'm gonna open a Barracuda admin console, run it, maximize this one. So default IP address is 192.168.200.200, username is root, and the password is 123. I have changed it. Login fail. Let's try one more time. Yeah, okay, so I'm able to log into this Barracuda firewall now. So what I want to configure Ethernet 1 as a DHCP, and I want the network should start from 1.100. It should be the Ethernet 1 and it should receive 1.1, and I want this PC should receive 1.2. So if we'll I'm gonna start this virtual machine. If you go on the virtual PC 4, we see show IP. There is no IP address, no gateway, nothing is mentioned. If we go on the virtual PC 6, show IP, there is no IP address configure. Okay, so let's configure the firewall. That's the Barracuda. I'm gonna close it. Okay, so to configure a DHCP, okay, first we have to do like go on the configuration, network. Okay, it's already configured in the last video. I'm gonna delete all those, like whatever the changes were there before. Lock the screen. Activate. Okay, so now there is no more IP address here. So first, how we configure the DHCP? First, you go on the configuration tree, assign service. So this is a dummy one. We need to create a one services here. So these services are also a dummy. So these are not working because this they are connected to the licenses one only. So right click on this one, create service, enable service. Service name is DHCP. I'm gonna make it in the small letter. Software module, we have to select here DHCP services. Leave everything all on the default. Finish it. So this DHCP service has been configured now. Let's activate it. It's activated now. So double click on DHCP enterprise configuration. Lock the screen. Enable DHCP. Yes. Subnet. What we want here. Right click on the plus sign, and we can give the name LAN DHCP. Okay, before that I want to tell you one more thing before I configure, because I just configure here at DHCP services, but it's not showing here on the configuration tab here, like control firewall logs. It should show here at DHCP. So it's not showing. What I want to just reboot this Barracuda firewall, then DHCP will be come up. So let's reboot it first. Control box, operating system, reboot the box. Okay, it's reboot restarting now. Once this firewall will restart, we will able to see like one DHCP tab here. It's like there's option for the reconnect. It will like the this Barracuda is down. It's like restarting now. It will take like 1 or 2 minutes. It's still restarting. Okay, let's close this one. Go to the topology, click on this Barracuda next generation firewall. It is showing like okay, this firewall is starting now. Okay, if we see over here from the Barracuda, it's still starting. Okay, it has been started now. So let's I'm gonna close this tab, go to our machine, plus password 123, open this portal now. Okay, I received this error message. Plus login root 123. Okay, now let's try from here now. Okay, now I'm able to log in. So give it like 2-3 time try, it will work. Okay, yeah, the now DHCP option is available here. If I will click on the DHCP here, click on the OK, connect, because it's not configured yet, so it is showing blank. So let's go on the configuration tree, assign services, double click expand DHCP, double click DHCP. Okay, last time I forget to unlock it, so it is showing the lock option here. It means like this one is lock only. I am the only one who can make the changes because I lock this screen. So double click on this one. You see, like I forget to unlock it. So discard any changes. So let's start now from the beginning. Yes, subnet. Yes, subnet name LAN DHCP. Okay. Which subnet I want? It is showing only two subnet right now, 200.0, that's a default from the boxnet, and one is loopback. So first, to get these subnets we need to create a network first. So which network? So for that, go to configuration tree, go to network, lock the screen. We need to add like a one network 1.0 on this ethernet one, plus, and what name we call LAN DHCP. Which interface? Ethernet 1. Network, what we want? 192.168.1.0/24. And for Ethernet 1 we want a IP address 192.168.1.100. Respond to ping, yes. Okay, is it connected to the internet? No. Trust level, it is like trusted LAN firewall network. Default gateway, we are not gonna do anything. Okay, send changes, and we have to activate it. Activate. Okay, now this network has been configured. Like how we know? If you go on the control, we network on the, we see like 1.100 has been configured here now, and the default is 0.0. I already told you how. Let's go to the configuration tree, DHCP enterprise. Now lock the screen. Now if you'll click on the right click, okay, let it subnet 01. I don't want to make the changes again and again. you see, like now we can see like another network 1.0 LAN DHCP. Click on this one. It will automatically pick up from here, like from Ethernet 1. Okay, pool range, what I want suppose the IP begin from 192.168.1.10, and I want to finish 192.168.1.20. So first IP should be 1.10, the last IP should be 1.20. If I want to reserve any IP address, I can reserve it here. Right click, add or reserve. Reserve, put the IP address, put the MAC address, and it's gonna reserve. So I do not have anything. I Oh shit. Okay, let's do it one more time. I cancel those. Subnet 1, pool range, IP end. Okay, reservation I don't want. I'm gonna leave it default. DNS server, I want to add a DNS server 8.8.8. Everything I'm leaving on the default. Click on the OK. Send changes, activate. So DHCP configuration has been completed. So click on this DHCP, connect 200.0 IO stream receive and okay. Okay, now let's go to virtual PC 4, this one, and what I want, okay, I want it should receive a IP address of 10 because the range start from the 10, and I think it will receive a IP address of 11. It can be a different address, but it will be from that range only. Virtual PC 4 IP DHCP. It's saying I cannot find the DHCP. So okay, let's ping our interface first. I'm just trying to see like this computer is able to ping to this Ethernet or not. Yes, that's correct. So I'm not able to ping that interface. So it's not gonna receive any IP address. First, we have to make sure like this computer can reach out to this port. Let's go to the firewall and see what are we are missing. 1.100 has been configured. Everything is good on this end. Box, network, not double click on this one. 1.100 respond to ping Ethernet 1. Okay, everything looks good. So let's try it one more time. IPDSCP. Let's try to ping it. Okay, one more thing. It's not this virtual PCs cannot ping to ping anything, it should have one IP address, and it's gonna receive one IP address from this Barracuda from DHCP. So, hmm, okay, let's try one more time. IP DHCP. All the configuration are correct. And let's try virtual PC 6 also, another PC. IP DHCP. Oh, it received the IP address 1.10. Also, it takes some time to activate these to make all these changes. Virtual PC 6, this one 1.11. Yeah, I was right. So this one received a IP address 1.10 and this one received IP address 1.11. So if I will ping now, I'm sure I'm able to ping anything. 1.100. Last time I was not able to ping our gateway, but now it will work. If we will go on the firewall and click on this DHCP again, okay, now it's connected. Now just click on this refresh. Okay, it's saying like there's like one pool here, and they're like two IP address has been released, 1.10 and 1.11. It has been released to this hard MAC address and this address. Okay, so it's working fine now. DHCP has been configured.